Hi, my name is Miss Lily, and I wanted to introduce myself as I will be your math teacher this semester. So, first off, I want to just tell you a little bit about myself. I enjoy running, biking, and hiking, and just spending time outdoors. So, anytime I'm not working, I'm usually out enjoying the sunshine, maybe finding a new trail to explore, or something of that nature. So, that's just a little bit about myself. Also, I coach cross country. I am in charge of the Beta Club and I'm in charge of sophomore homeroom. I also help with Spirit Week and with the talent show. So if any of these things interest you, feel free to reach out and ask questions at any time. This semester, we're going to learn a lot of new things in math, and I've realized that sometimes math is not people's favorite subjects, and that's okay. As long as you give your full effort and you continue to put forth 100% effort, I'm okay with you just doing the best you can. Some of you guys will do amazing, and some of you guys are going to just try to get through. And I'm okay with both parts as long as you're working. So if you need to contact me, please do so. You will find my office hours posted on the syllabus, and you can reach me during my office hours through Google Hangouts. And I'm on there pretty much the whole time during my office hours, so you can reach me pretty quickly during my office hours. If it's outside of my office hours, please email me or message me through Canvas, and I will get back to you within 24 hours. So I look forward to talking to each of you. I look forward to meeting you, and hopefully we have a great semester together. Please reach out just to say hello. I'll see you guys in class.